So I started the preview with the second half of what we did last time. So let's start with the right hand and let me quickly go through what we already did in the last lesson. And remember that in the previous lesson, I had played F, G, A sharp, and C sharp. And I mentioned in the notes following the previous lesson that most transcriptions actually have an E played here. They both sound very similar, so either one is okay. But if you want the technically correct version, E, G, A sharp, C sharp is the way to go. So again, here the E, G, A sharp, and C sharp instead of the F, G, A sharp, and C sharp that I played in lesson 1. So from here, we're going to go to a G and a B with fingers 2 and 3, followed by 2 E's with our thumb and pinky. And then instead of the G and B, we're going to go up a white note with each finger to an A and C. So actually the G and B are being played with fingers 2 and 3, and the A and C with fingers 2 and 4. Okay, so we have 2 and 3, 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 1 and 5 again, and back to 2 and 3 on the G and B. Okay, so again. And that should be played staccato. From the beginning we have so in the left hand when we're playing that new part, starting with the G and B with fingers 2 and 3, in the left hand we're going to be playing an E and G with fingers 3 and 1. So it's like this. And then the left hand after the E and G is going to go to an E and F sharp with fingers 3 and 2, and then back to the E and G. And the left hand is going to play every other time the right hand plays during that part. So it's again. And from the beginning of that with both hands, and then from here, the E and G, we're going to go all the way down to an E an octave lower with finger number 1. And we're going to go E with finger 1, D with finger 2, C with finger 3, B with finger 4, A sharp with finger 5. So again, E, D, C, B, A sharp with fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the E and G, it's E and G, E and F sharp, E and G, E, D, C, B, A sharp. Now with both hands from the beginning of that part, let's go back to the right hand now. So after the left hand does that little run that we just went over, the right hand is going to go to a C with finger 2 and a G with finger 5. C and G, and from there we're going to play a G and E with fingers 1 and 4. And then back to the C and G with 2 and 5 again. So it's like this: C and G, G and E, C and G, fingers 2 and 5, 1 and 4, 2 and 5. So from there, we're going to play a C and F sharp, but on the C we're going to change from finger 2 to finger 1, and we're going to use finger 4 on the F sharp. So it's like this. Okay, and then from that C and F sharp, we're going to go to a D sharp, F sharp, and C with fingers 1, 2, and 5. And then from there to an E, G, and B with fingers 1, 2, and 4. So again we have C and G, G and C, C and G, C and F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and C, E, G, and B. So after that we're going to go up to an A sharp, C sharp, E, and G, and play that 3 times. So we have and then from there we're going to go to G sharp, B, D, and F sharp and play that 3 times. So A sharp, C sharp, E, and G to G sharp, B, D, and F sharp. So and then from the G sharp, B, D, and F sharp, we're going to go to F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and E, and play that 3 times. Okay, so we're playing the F sharp with finger 1, the A sharp with finger 2, the C sharp with finger 3, and the E with finger 5. So again. Now from here, we're going to go to B and D sharp with fingers 1 and 3, and then to an F sharp with finger 5. So B and D sharp to F sharp, and then A sharp and E with fingers 1 and 4, again to F sharp, and then B and D sharp again. So B and D sharp, F sharp, A sharp and E, F sharp, B and D sharp. Again. So now let's add in the left hand. Remember the last left hand part we learned was the E and G to the E and F sharp to the E and G, while the right hand is playing this. From there, the left hand is going to go all the way down to an E an octave lower, and we're going to play an E with our thumb or finger 1, D with finger 2, C with finger 3, B with finger 4, and A sharp with finger 5. So E, D, C, B, A sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, the left hand is going to go to an E, G, and C with fingers 3, 2, and 1, and that comes in while the right hand is playing that C and G. So it's like this. And then the right hand plays the G and E, and then the left hand goes to an A when the right hand goes back to the C and G. So we have. Okay, and then remember that the right hand is going to go to a C and an F sharp. And when we do that, the left hand is going to play D sharp with finger 3, F sharp with finger 2, and C with finger 1. So again. Okay, and from there, the left hand is going to go to a G, while the right hand plays the D sharp, F sharp, and C. And then the left hand is going to play the same chord as the right hand. The right hand is playing E, G, and B with fingers 1, 2, and 4, and the left hand is playing E, G, and B as well, but with fingers 3, 2, and 1. So we have. Again. And now remember, the right hand is going to go to this chord up here, A sharp, C sharp, E, and G. And while we do that, the left hand is going to go to an F sharp with our pinky or finger number 5. And the right hand plays that 3 times. 1, 2, and on the third one, the left hand's going to come up to the higher F sharp with finger 2, as well as an A sharp with finger 1. So low F sharp, high F sharp, A sharp. And then when the right hand changes to this chord, G sharp, B, D, F sharp, the left hand is going to play this high F sharp again by itself, but with our pinky. And then on the third time that we play this, the left hand is going to play G sharp and B with fingers 3 and 1. So 1, 2, 3. From here, so we have. And then the left hand is going to play F sharp again when we do F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E. And then it's going to play an A sharp and C sharp with fingers 3 and 2 the third time we play that. From the rundown. And then the left hand is going to go to a B, F sharp, and B, like that. And then to a C, F sharp, and A sharp. And then back to the B, F sharp, B. So it's B, F sharp, B, finger 2 on the F sharp. C, F sharp, A sharp, again finger 2 on the F sharp, and back to the B, F sharp, B. And remember, during that time, the right hand is playing this B and D sharp, and then to the F sharp, and then to the A sharp and E when the left hand switches to the C, F sharp, and A sharp, back to the F sharp, and then back to the B and D sharp when the left hand goes back. So it's from the rundown. And then the left hand is going to bring its thumb to the low B and do B, A, G, F sharp, E. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the run. Now I just want to point out that pretty much everything is staccato here, everything except for those runs. So let's do it again and keep everything staccato. Now let's go back a little bit to here. And remember again, we're going to do everything staccato except for those runs. So finally, I'm just going to add some pedal in. Remember, just like in the last lesson, we're going to press the pedal down every time we press one of the lower bass notes. So pedal, pedal, and so on. And we're also going to press the pedal each time we play a new left hand part during this part, during, and during. The only time there's no pedal at all, aside from the very beginning of the song, is when we're doing the runs. No pedal here until we hit that last note, and no pedal here until we hit that last note. So let's go ahead and do it again with the pedal.